In this video, I will share with you how to create a sticky navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder. This is an example of the sticky navigation menu. As you see, the white navigation menu is sticking to the top when I scroll down or up. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites list, and click on this Edit Website button next to the website built using Hostinger Website Builder. Now make sure to select the header section, then click on this Edit Header button, and next to Make Header Sticky, check this option or check this box. Now close this window and don't forget to update your website. Let's refresh my website. And this is how to create a sticky navigation menu in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.